Welcome back to Paige Gross Design. This is the second in a series of Halloween ornaments. This one is inspired by Day of the Dead and Sugar Skulls. Starts out the same way as the first pumpkin ornament that I showed you, and starts with doll faces on a 3-inch styrofoam ball. I gessoed the doll face with white gesso, and all it takes is 2 colors of paint, red and black, a liner brush, a fine liner brush. I'm going to start out by putting this heart between her eyes, and it will be upside down, and from the bottom of that I'll paint the spider web. I'll add in the webbing, just do little C strokes. And there, I've already painted in the nose. You'll paint in the lips, like the lips have lipstick. Now we're going to do the stitched mouth. I'm going to stitches through the lips, little teardrops, 3 little teardrops on her chin. And you're going to come up here to the side of her face and paint an S or a scroll and try to mirror it on the other side, which is sometimes hard to do. And I think of her eyes as little chrysanthemums. Just do tiny little scallops around her eyes. Come up high over the top of her eye. And you're going to fill in corners, and in this case I did the right corners of her eyes and left little pie wedges as a glint of highlight. I'm going to go with the red paint, fill in the heart that's between her eyes, fill in the teardrops on her chin, and along the scroll paint little teardrops. When this dries, I'll put some black detailing around the leaves on the scroll. Once the black paint has dried, or the black gesso has dried, take a small round brush, water down some of the red, and go along the top of the eye, just to give just a little bit of pink, just one hint of pink. When that dries, go in with your liner brush and add just a few eyelashes. And then you're finished painting your face. Now we're just going to wait for this to dry. Here you're going to add the hair, which is just, again, some rope I bought at the Dollar Tree. And start in the middle, very middle of the back of the skull. Once I get to this point, even when I have space along the skull and this portion isn't covered, I'll go ahead and stop, cut the cord. And then I come in with black petals from Artificial Flowers. You don't have to look for the flowers that have the black leaves. You can use gesso and paint the green ones like I have here. Use a few black feathers. Once I have the black leaves and feathers around the outside edge, I'm going to take red chrysanthemums, Artificial Flowers, again from Dollar Tree, and just embellish as if she's wearing flowers in her hair. I put 3 on each side, Use some contrasting color, just like that. Now on this back side, you can fill that with more flowers. And to finish this all off, I'm going to put an eye screw, a little spot of blue, very top, and then place an eye screw in it when she's finished. Hope you join me for the next installment. It's going to be very scary fun. Hope you come back.